generative AI can help contact centers save costs and increase efficiency. Let's see how this is done. The diagram here shows us the manual process a contact center employee has to implement to solve customer complaints. Let's look at how we can increase efficiency with the help of generative AI and RPA. This process shows the integrated power of RPA and generative AI to handle customer complaints efficiently and quickly in a financial organization. We will be processing 2 complaints from customers in different languages to understand this better. We have 2 emails, one in French and one in Mandarin in the inbox. They are complaints from customers regarding unauthorized transactions in their respective bank accounts. Let's pick up the French customer email. We now trigger the RPA bot to read the emails and send the data to Gen AI model. The bot runs in the background, interacting through API with the Gen AI model, sharing and transferring data. Gen AI provides English translation of the French email for the benefit of the customer service representative. This content is used for further analysis. Translating the email to English completes the first step of this process. The model then analyzes the contents of the email to identify if it is a complaint. It determines the type of complaint, whether it's regarding a credit card, a debit card, an unauthorized transaction, or an overdraft. It also gives a short description of the complaint, its severity, and the name of the sender if available in the email body. It has now identified the sentiment of the email, classified the type of complaint, and identified the severity, completing 3 more steps in the process. The RPA bot receives all this information from Gen AI and navigates to ServiceNow to create a new ticket with the received information. The impact, urgency, assignment group, short description, and description fields are filled out, and the ticket number is noted. We can see that the Gen AI platform has summarized the complaint, identified the customer's details, and created a ServiceNow ticket which has been assigned to the respective person. Let's move on to the last step. The ticket details are then sent to the Gen AI model for drafting a personalized response in the customer's language. The RPA bot then sends the email response to the customer. With that, we complete our last step. Let's move on to the second email in Mandarin. The next email in the inbox, which is in Mandarin, is now picked up, and the same process is repeated. Gen AI provides an English translation of the original Mandarin email. It is identified as a complaint regarding a fraudulent transaction by a customer named Sarah, considered as a Severity 1 complaint, and a short description is also provided. The impact, urgency, assignment group, short description, and description fields are filled out in ServiceNow based on the information provided, and the ticket number is noted. A personalized response is sent to the customer, including the customer's name in the salutation and the details of the ticket created in ServiceNow to enable them to track it. The details of the complaint, the email ID from which the complaint was sent, the corresponding ServiceNow ticket number, and the response sent to the user are updated in an internal database. A unique complaint ID is generated for each complaint for auditing and record-keeping purposes. With these 2 email examples, we can understand how the power of generated AI and RPA can streamline processes. Generated AI and RPA optimizes operational workflows, enhances productivity, and reduces expenses. Let's now take a look at the benefits of this integration. In summary, this RPA and Gen AI solution removes the expense of translation services, reduces the need for human intervention, streamlines the entire complaint management process, and significantly enhances the customer experience. Thank you.